You are welcome. We are going to look at logo design too, and by doing so we are going to learn how to crop an image that we will be using in designing the logo. So let's clear our drawing area by pressing on the reset button, press default page and delete the default text. New text, delete it. Now let's import our picture. So I go to my text or menu on top, the plus sign, press on it. You will see from gallery. Press on from gallery. When you press from gallery, your pictures will display. If it is not displayed, kindly move to the top left corner. You will see a menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines. Press on it. It will give you the opportunity to access your photo gallery and stuff. So I can locate my image here. Then I press on the folder in which my image is. I want to use this image, the lion, the one with the lion. I want to take out the text, leaving only the lion. And how do I do it? You go to the down right corner of your phone. You will find a circle. Press on the circle. When you press on the circle, it will create a cropping tool around it. Then you will use the resize icons around to be able to trim off all the text that you want. So you hold the left hand side, drag your hands towards the lion, hold the down part, do the same thing. The other, so you continue to do that until you get your shape around the lion very perfect. So in order to move the reshape tool, you hold on the middle and drag your hand. So I continue to resize until I get a perfect removal of the shape for me. So I will take it this way. Now I will come to the down part and accept by pressing on the correct sign. So when I accept it, it puts it on my dashboard straightforward. Now I will put a border around it. I want to design a circular logo. So how do I do it? I put a border around it by going to the downside, the images icon or the shapes icon. Press after the letter A, press on it. It will give you the opportunity of adding a stroke around the image. So add a stroke. So when you enable the stroke, it will give you a color. If you don't want the color, you can change it. But if you think it's okay for you, you leave the color. So I will increase the width to 10. Then I will accept it. Now I want to create another shape at the back end and fill it with a color. So I press on my shapes. So when I press on shapes, automatically it gives me a square, but I don't want a square. I want a circle. So I press on the circle. So when I press on the circle, I come to the down right corner and press on the resize button and drag my hand out to cover the lion. Then if you want from here, you just apply your background color. So let's give it a red background color. Now you accept it. You say okay. When you accept it, you see that it's covering the lion. So how do we put it back? You will find to back to front. So after the copy, you find to back or to front. So I press on to back. It will send my circle back of the lion. That's okay. So now what we will do is to introduce our text. We will introduce our text. So kindly go to your text icon and press on letter A, and then press text. Double click on the text to edit. So you delete whatever is there and type Bewa Gbewa family, or the Gbewa family. Then you say okay. So when you do that, you can increase the font. Sorry. So you see that I'm trying to drag the text, but by mistake I have hold the circle. So what do? Quickly go to the top up. You will see after the delete key, you will see undo icon. Press on it. It will refix your work for you. Don't shiver at all. Now press on the shape again. Try to increase it, or you use the size icon down there to increase or decrease. So that's how you can do it. Now we want to bend the shape, so we go and look for curve. Then you will bend it like the way we did in our earlier text. So you bend it and then you say okay. Depending on the way your work look like, you try to do it perfect than I am doing. Now we will add another text down there to bend it downwards. So you delete whatever is here, then you write unity is strength. Unity is strength. So you say okay. So you either increase it a little and try to bend that one downwards. So you go and look for curve. Now instead of going to the right, you go to the left. So you see that it will bend. So you position it very well and continue to bend until you are okay with the way it is. It feels very well. So I will leave it this way. So I will accept it like that. Good. So now this is our logo. So we will give it a transparent background such that in future when we are going to use this logo to do a banner, we will not have problem. So how do you do it? You go to your right hand side, the two squares, press on it. You will find transparent. Press on transparent. It will give you this transparent background. So you save your work as image. So when you save it as image, then you save.